The perfect walking tour of Paris. What do we find? We're speedrunning the most beautiful city on Earth. From the Iron Lady to the world's biggest museum. Let's go! We start at the big one, Eiffel Tower. Pro tip, catch it from Trocadero for the best view without the crowds. Next, we're hitting the Louvre. You could spend a week here, but we've got plenty to see. Catch the pyramid and wave to the Mona Lisa if you get the chance. Then it's a quick stroll past the street artists of Montmartre. Time for a refueling stop. You can't visit Paris without a croissant in the Latin Quarter, and do not forget the hot chocolate. Visiting the Catacombs can serve as an eerie distraction, offering a contrast to the city's surface-level beauty that keeps viewers curious. Then, it's a cruise down the Seine, which can be the best way to see Notre Dame and enjoy the city from the water. We're finishing strong on the Champs-Élysées under the Arc de Triomphe, through the flower markets and a quick flyby of the Moulin Rouge to end the night. While we've hit the highlights, Paris is a city of endless layers. There's always a hidden garden, a secret bakery, or a historic alleyway waiting for you to uncover. Don't forget to subscribe for more explorations. I'm blasting off and we'll see you in the next city.